I've loved coming to the University of Lincoln. It's one of the relatively new universities which has well and truly established itself. It's got a great school of social studies, including the discipline of politics, and a school of law.
As much as you can, getting people who, particularly people who are, I guess, are visible or in the public eye, to talk about their own careers and perhaps a little bit about how they got into their careers, I think is really interesting.
Broader is always better. The greater breadth of understanding, opinion, debate that you can instigate, then the more invigorating, entertaining and educational that the resource will be.
I think it's really important for students or anyone thinking about starting out on a career to understand that there's no such thing as the perfect career, there's no such thing as the smooth progress upwards without obstacles. Everyone has to struggle and fight their way to get to do what they're passionate about.
Anything that can broaden people's minds and see the world in a different way is bound to be positive and constructive. That way we banish prejudice and fear of the unknown.